In a previous video, we saw how to issue invoices with sales taxes. However, there might be other types of extra taxes that find their way into our invoices, such as eco-taxes with fixed rates that are themselves taxed. For example, at my company, Stealthy Wood, some of our very special desks have secret drawers with high-tech electronic devices inside. We use rechargeable batteries to power them. And with our country's legislation, we have to include an additional eco-tax for the rechargeable battery. This tax is in turn taxed with the usual VAT. And since we also have customers abroad, we have to make sure that the right taxes are applied to the right customers. So let's see how we can set this up in Odoo. All right, so here I am on my database. Now, if we would like to apply some eco-taxes to our products, we first need to create the tax in our system. So let's go to Invoicing, Configuration, Taxes. Now, from here, we're going to go ahead and create a new one by clicking on the Create button. So let's first add a tax name. I'm going to say eco-tax on battery, lithium, 500 gram, 2 kg. All right, I know it's a long name, but I want to be sure I know exactly what this tax is for. Under tax computation, we're going to change this. So instead of percentage of price, we're going to say fixed. And we're going to add the amount, so 0.90. Then we'll go to our advanced options and create the label on invoices, which will be eco-tax on invoices. Quite simple. Then we're also going to add a tax group. So I previously created one called eco-tax. Okay, and if we open this tax group, first of all, we see that I added the name here and also changed the sequence. So when you create a new group, automatically the sequence will be 10. Okay, most of your taxes will have this sequence, but I changed it to 5. All right, so I made the sequence higher than some of the other ones because I want this tax or the taxes that are in this group to be applied before the taxes in other groups. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. And then I'm also going to say effect base of subsequent taxes and save. Now let's go to our list of taxes. We'll see that this eco tax is at the top, okay? All right, and it's before my standard 21% TVA, which means that it will be applied to the invoice before the 21%. All right, if I want to change this, all I have to do is switch the sequence by dragging the 21% above that eco tax so that the 21% is applied before the eco tax. But in this case, I do want my eco tax to be applied first, so I'm going to be sure that it is the top of the list. All right, now let's go ahead and create a product where this eco tax will apply. So I'm going to go to Inventory, Master Data, Products. Let's go to our customizable desk because one of our customizable desks does have a battery for this special high-tech drawer. I'm simply going to duplicate this. All right, and I'm going to say with battery. The sales price will be $1,000, so it's a bit more expensive. And I'm going to add that tax we just created to the product template and then save. Now let's go ahead and create a sales order for this product and see how the taxes are applied. All right, so let's go to our sales application and then create a new quotation. Let's choose our customer and then add the product. Okay, so again, customizable desk with battery. Okay. And we see that both taxes are applied. So the eco tax is applied first and then the 21%, which we can see right here. Okay, if I'm mistaken and the eco tax doesn't apply to this product and I need to change that right here rather than on the product template. So let's imagine the customer is right there in front of you. You can simply exit this. Okay, however, if you want it to always be removed from the product, you do need to remove it from the product template itself. All right, but we can see here that based on the sequence, the taxes are correctly applied. So again, first we have our eco tax and then our TVA 21%. So to set this up was super easy and super simple. And all of this you can do with your Odoo database. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.